Hey guys, so there's a company called Wing that does drone deliveries. I've tried ordering from them in the past, like a couple days ago. Oh, I see it already. Very high up here. Interesting. That was cool. Thank you. Bye-bye, drone. So, as you can see, it has wings, which helps it fly a bit more efficiently over longer distances. That is really cool. So let's pick up my package. I had actually ordered more stuff, but it was split into two deliveries, and then one of them was canceled because something apparently wasn't in stock. So whatever. Thank you, Walmart. Thank you, Wing. And I guess I can just quickly see what's in there. Some of my test was just to see how it would handle like coldish type stuff for perishables or meltable stuff. I see they gave me a free water. I got a Twix candy bar and a couple yogurts. These are the whips type, which are actually very sensitive to being in the heat. So I'll be curious how these turned out. But that's about it. Thanks for watching.